We are extremely pleased and very thankful to Burlington for having such a impactful workshop. It was really very good and innovative. The learning was very good actually, and thanks for the materials that are well explained to all of us.
So Burlington product are built to last and give the attention. All the details are very impressive, like handbook, home play method, where the learning can happen in a fun way. It will be easy to reach the students and their life also.
Good morning everyone. Myself Raghavan here from Sydney International School. Today we participated in this wonderful event. It's conducted by Burlington English. It's completely about outstanding performance, I could say that. Because the way they give them book materials, holistic development, website, the mobile applications. Thank you for the opportunity and feel fulfilled, and thank you for your hospitality. Once again, all the best.